Hello everyone. I'm Dawn and I do yoga. I also empower professional business women over 40 to use yoga tools to go from feeling burnt out and frazzled to centered and calm. I'm here live, which is something I'm planning to do every day during the month of May. And if you are tuning in live, hashtag live, these are generally going to be unscheduled. So if you catch me live, great, go ahead and drop a hashtag live. If not, drop a hashtag replay and any questions you might have. I also invite all of you to share any yoga topics you want to learn more about. And the purpose of these daily videos is to both share a little bit about myself and my yoga journey, but yet more importantly, to share with you some really practical ways that you can begin or continue to incorporate yoga into your own personal day. And the pose I'm going to do for you today, there'll be maybe a mix of some educational pose and some poses, nothing real long here, just some real quick tips to help you learn a little bit more about me and the work I do. So the first pose of May that I would like to offer to you is a pose that can help dispel nervous energy. So to practice this pose, and you can do this pose really anywhere, come to a standing position. Bring your feet comfortably beneath you. Doesn't really matter how they're placed. There's no right or wrong in yoga, at least in the way I teach. Scoop the front of your belly in and up towards your heart. That helps brace your lower back. Arms are long by your sides. Knees are slightly bent. So you just begin to bounce. You're bending your knees. You're hinging at your hips. And you're just allowing your body to bounce. You could practice this pose while you're waiting for your morning beverage to be made. If you have coffee or tea and need to wait for the beverage to be made. You can also do this pose before you go to bed. Go ahead and stop and stand quietly. Just breathing naturally and without judgment, observing the way your energy is moving in your body in this moment. I'll pause for about 30 seconds of silence here. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. And guess what? You just practiced yoga. Hi, Stacy. Great to see you. I'm glad you were able to come in live. Let me know your thoughts on the practice, or if you have any questions. That is all I have for you today. I will see you back here tomorrow. For my Facebook group members, if you are ready to let go of the burnout and frazzle and deepen your connection to being calm, then come join me on a free 20-minute Deepen with Yoga call. During that call, I will provide you with a customized yoga practice that will meet you where you're currently at. And if I didn't say earlier, I do work to empower professional women over 40 to use yoga tools to go from feeling burnt out and frazzled to centered and calm. For all my other followers on other social media sources, I invite you to like and follow these videos, and I'm going to drop in the comments a link to my mini course, Go from Frazzle to Calm in Under 10 Minutes. I look forward to seeing you all soon, and for my Facebook group members, I will be dropping a link to schedule your 20-minute call in the comments after we're done. Be well, everyone. See you soon.